Hey everyone! Let's talk about something you use every single day, even if you don't realize it. Markets. Not the farmer's market down the street, but the different types of markets in the world of business and trade. I'll keep it super simple, with easy examples, so you'll never get them confused again. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, local market. Think of your neighborhood bakery selling fresh bread only to people who live nearby. That's a local market. It's all about buying and selling in a small, specific area, just like your town or even your block. You probably walk there, chat with the owner, and everyone knows each other. Super personal, super local. Now move one step bigger. That's the domestic market. Imagine a clothing brand that sells its t-shirts all across your state or country, but nowhere else. For example, a shoe company based in Texas that only ships within the United States. They're thinking bigger than just one city, but still staying inside the country's borders. Next is the national market. This one can be a little confusing, so here's the trick. National means the whole nation, so the business operates all across the country, reaching every corner from big cities to tiny towns. Think of a company like Coca-Cola, but only selling in the US. They want everyone in the country to know their brand, coast to coast. Now things get more exciting. International market. This is when a business crosses its own country's borders and sells products to other countries. Picture a California tech company selling laptops to customers in Canada, Mexico, and Japan. They don't just stay at home, they're reaching out, but maybe only to a handful of countries. And finally, the global market. This is the biggest stage. Here, companies are everywhere. Their products are sold all over the world. Think of a brand like Nike or Apple. Whether you're in New York, Paris, or Tokyo, you'll see their products. The global market is all about thinking worldwide with no limits. So let's recap with some quick-fire examples. Your local bakery? That's a local market. A shoe company selling only in the US? Domestic. Coca-Cola spreading across America? National. A tech company selling to a few countries? International. And Nike or Apple everywhere? That's global. Markets might sound complicated, but once you see them in your daily life, they're actually pretty simple. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to look around and spot which market you're part of today. See you next time.